Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a paper airplane. First, you'd want to fold it in half, hot dog way, like that. You only do that to make a fold at the very middle of the paper. If you do that, it will be symmetrical. My paper airplane is a dart. It flies fast. It's not made for gliding. After you fold it like this, you unfold it. There should be a crease in the middle. You fold this corner into the middle, like this. So that should be pointing there, right where the line is. Then you fold the other corner just the same. If these two corners are touching, then that means you folded it perfectly in half, and these triangles are right on the line. Once you make that, you would want to take this part and fold it in. Don't make it go like this, or the tip will be weird. This part is the hard step. You fold it in again, like that. Make sure the point is pretty pointy, like that. Once you've done that step, it should look like this. See these two flaps right here? You would want to fold it this way in half. This is pretty much a dart, but you want to make wings. Very tiny wings that only touches the bottom. I prefer wings that go like this. So it touches right on the bottom almost. Tiny wings make them go faster. Now it should look like this. You should straighten the tip and make it sharper so it can fly faster. This is how good the plane flies. I don't know if you can see it. What? I don't think you saw that. I'll do it again. Pretty good. This is the first kind. This is a dart. If you want to make a glider, I will be making more videos. Maybe. You can, I don't prefer decorating it, because if you decorate it with marker, the marker is wet, so it might make it not fly as well. If you add more darts on top and stick this bottom part you hold on, it might look awesome. So, thank you for watching. Bye!